Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Yeah, Keynsham I went to today. Picked this up. I couldn't resist it. I used to have one of these probably 30 years ago. Couldn't it have been that long ago? I reckon it was. I reckon it was back in the 90s. This one cost me 50p. I doubt whether there's much chance of actually getting it working. And if we do get it working, there's probably not much chance of actually downloading the pictures from it. So we'll probably end up taking it apart. If we can get this off, come on. Why aren't you coming off? There we go, just a bit tight. Okay, one AAA battery. That looks a bit corroded, doesn't it? That's pretty rusty. Yeah. If I cut the end of that off, oh, it's going to damage me cutters. That's hard. Different cutters. All right, cut that there somewhere. Maybe again. All right, might be able to get to the uncorroded surface. Scrape that a bit more. You can put vinegar on it and that sort of stuff to eat away the deposit. Let's have a look, see if that's going to do anything for us. That's in. No LED coming up. I don't think that makes any difference. No, there's all sorts of muck over the lens. Ooh, look. Oh, I wonder if I can find any instructions anywhere to tell us what all that means. Let's take that out again. Right, what I'm really interested in is, can we get it apart? Right, worked it out. That bit comes off, and then we got a screw there. That's got to be it. There we are. So we're in. And that's what we're interested in there. Screw there, screw there. Also happens to be the positive contact. Save that. Right. Turn that over. Try not to lose that screw. Right. So this is what I want to see. We've got 4 wires going out there. I'll have to go macro mode or something so I can have a close-up look at it. But I would think, 4 wires, it's going to be USB at the other end where it plug into your computer. So we ought to be able to just wire directly onto them with an ordinary USB lead soldering directly on. A little bit tight. It even says USB just there. The only question is which way round, positive, negative, and the data pair. We'll do some close-up pictures. I've done a bit of Googling now. I have been able to find the manual and download it. And I've also found a YouTube video by a channel called Random Things, where he's done a very good review of one that he's found. He's even managed to get pictures of it using a Linux computer. Getting the actual drivers for Windows seems to be difficult, to put it politely. In the comments on his video, somebody has left a link for you to be able to download the drivers. I had a look at it and then decided I wouldn't download it because it was an exe file, and the guy may be 100% genuine, but I just don't trust it to download it onto my computer. So I won't be downloading it. The resolution on these cameras or the pictures are tiny, 300 and something by 200 and something pixels. So novelty value, yes, it'd be interesting to be able to take pictures with it and download them. But from a practical point of view, you're just wasting your time. The USB lead appears to be USB-A 1.1 or something. As you can see on the back there, it's only 4 wires. And you could probably rig a lead up to actually plug it in. But unless you've got the drivers to download it, or you're using Linux, or Linux, as some people prefer to call it, you're probably not going to see them. If you take the battery out, it loses the pictures anyway. They're only held in the memory whilst you've got power on it. So if you've got one that's been sitting on a shelf for 10 years or something, you're not going to recover the pictures off it because the battery will have died. So it's only any use if you want to use it immediately, take photos and download them straight away. And the photos are going to be rubbish. So let's be honest. I just thought it was interesting to take it apart. I'll put links in the video description to his video. I'll also have shown you some pictures of his screenshot, just so you know what to look for. And as I say, I'll link to his video in my video description so you can check it out. That'll do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.